Good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I'm going to do a walk-around startup and a drive video for you on a 1968 Chrysler New Yorker. I've had this car for several years. It's been tucked away in one of my storage buildings, and I just haven't had a chance to get it out and do anything with it. It's a super cool car, 440 under the hood. I'm presuming it's numbers matching, folks. I've never looked it up or checked, but 440 automatic, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning. It's got a set of American Racing Magnum 500 aftermarket wheels and tires on it. They look great. This is a driver quality car. I would say a lot of this car has original paint on it. This car may have been touched up here or there throughout its life. I'm not sure about that, but I think this car is pretty nice, pretty fair, pretty honest car. I know it's got a little crack in the paint right here, and you can see a little bit of rust forming down underneath this chrome. You know, I'm sure you could take that off, and it's just because stuff running down in here. It's not terrible, but I do show you that, you know, on these videos. This car we got out of a private collection that we purchased. I think we purchased, I don't know, half a dozen cars from the same gentleman. It wasn't like we went out looking for a 68 Chrysler New Yorker two-door hardtop. I mean, it just kind of, you know, some of these cars just kind of fall in our laps. And when they do, I try to make the best decisions possible, folks. I don't have a crystal ball, and there's not a lot of these cars around. There's not a lot of these cars for sale. I looked them up. There was, I think, two of them advertised that I could find, 68 New Yorkers. One they want $59,900 for. It looks like it's really nice. It's black and it looks like it's fully restored. And the other one's a four-door car, and I think it was like $9,500 or something. So I don't know. I priced this car at $19,900. Good, bad, or indifferent. I'm sure somebody will let me know. Either the phone's going to ring off the hook or somebody's going to call me and say, "Hey, idiot, the car's not worth that." So I don't know. You folks tell me. Got a couple scratches here. Got a scratch here. I haven't touched this car up. The way you're seeing it is the way I got it. I mean, we did do some work to the car. We put a master cylinder on this car, and we did put a new brake booster on this car. Several new brake lines, some vacuum hoses, some new belts. I'm not sure what else we exactly done to this thing. It has been converted to 134, and it looks like it has a new clutch on that AC compressor. You know, a little bit of tarnish here on this bumper, not bad. These pieces here, you know, I mean, you could scuff these up and repaint them. We didn't hide anything. I'm not at all. I think it shows 63,000 miles on the odometer. I'll tell you here in a second. 64,960 miles, it says, is what it says. I think the dash lights work. Left turn, right turn, horn, radio. Yep. Wipers work, blower motor works. Radio. Dome lights in the back. Headliner's in good shape, it looks like. Visors are nice. Ah, that's a pretty nice old car. Interior is super nice in the car. Back seat, front seat, package tray, sail panels, headliner, dash pad. I mean, door jambs look like they're all original. Starts up and runs great. Tail lights, right turn signal, license plate light does not work, it don't look like. Look at there, folks. AC compressor kicks on. So sure the AC's cold too. We'll see in a minute. The sound of a hood like that shutting. I always get a kick out of that. I don't think the air is ice cold, but you can see that the AC compressor's kicked in, so you know that works. So she may need a shot of Freon. She's a pretty good old girl. She is a pretty good old girl. The speedometer is pretty cool in these cars, you know, it comes down from up above there and you know, folks, they just do not make cars like this anymore. Been going the other way today, but I'll go this way. Looks like the gauges work. Little car goes right down the road, pretty nice, folks. 70 miles an hour right down the road. Brakes work good on the car. Like I say, we did service the brakes. I think they put some new brake shoes on it, maybe some drums. I don't know. I told them whatever it needed for brakes in the back room, I told them to fix it. So they seem to work good now. Beautiful day here in, it would be still early September, so a beautiful day. Supposed to have some 80-degree weather this week and next week. There we go. Transmission shifts really nice in the car. Speedometer works. Car runs good, drives good. Just an all-around good-looking old car, folks. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars and muscle cars every day, so give us a call if you're interested in purchasing this 68 Chrysler New Yorker or maybe something else that we have in stock. Give us a call. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.